The developing technique that was used in this picture is probably the same one that was used in your school pictures. And what you may not know is this is a new developing technique. This picture actually blushes when you ask it embarrassing questions, and your school pictures might wind up doing the same thing. Now, I know you look a little skeptical out there, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this for you. I'm going to ask this picture a question and see what kind of reaction we get. Dick, are you Irish? No blushing there at all, because Dick is Irish. Now, let's see. We'll ask it another question and see what happens. Dick, what do you normally wear? Boxers or briefs? Dick was embarrassed when I asked him that question. Now you're looking at me and saying, something is wrong here. And you're correct. This is not a magic picture. What I did was on the back of the picture, I painted some phenolphthalein, which is an indicator. And I dipped my fingers into ammonia, which is a base. When I touched my fingers to the phenolphthalein, the red color appeared. And that's what made Dick's face blush. Now, this is just another application of an older trick called water to wine to water. Here I have some clear liquid here in this big beaker, and I'll pour it into this jar. And notice, the liquid in the jar turned red. And the reason that it did this is because, again, I had some phenolphthalein down in the bottom of the jar. Now, to get the red to go away and turn it back to water, I'll take an antacid tablet, break it up to give it a little bit more surface area, drop it into the jar, swirl it around, and voila, it turns clear. The reason for that is phenolphthalein is an indicator that turns red or pink in a basic solution, and it turns clear in an acid solution. The liquid that I poured in there was a weak solution of a strong base, and so it turned it red. And when I took the antacid tablets, tore them out of the packet, dropped them in there, they created carbon dioxide down in the jar. Carbon dioxide reacts with water, forms a weak acid called carbonic acid, but it's strong enough to switch the phenolphthalein indicator over to the clear side. Chemists use colors lots of times to tell them what's going on in a system. And so you can see again, what sometimes appears to be magic is actually science at work.